Birbal caught the thief. Pre-reading activity. 1. Look at this picture. Answer the following questions. What place do you see in this picture? Who are there in this picture? What are they doing? What is happening? Blossom. 4. Reading. Birbal caught the thief. Once there was a rich merchant. He lived in a small village surrounded by a forest. He had many servants in his house. One night, when the merchant was sleeping, someone entered his room quietly and stole his precious diamonds. In the morning, when the merchant woke up, he found his diamonds stolen. He inquired his servants about the diamonds, but they denied having any information. Since they were not responding properly, the merchant suspected that the thief was one of his servants. So he went to the court of King Akbar and narrated the whole incident. Akbar asked Birbal, who was a wise minister in his kingdom to help the merchant find his lost diamonds. The next day, Birbal went to the merchant's house and asked all his servants as to who had stolen. Class 4 English reader, the merchant's diamond, the previous night. Again, everybody denied. Birbal thought for a moment and then gave a stick of equal length to all the servants of the merchant, and he said to them, I have given you a magic stick. Each it can find the thief. The stick of the real thief will have grown longer by 2 inches by tomorrow. All of you should be present here again tomorrow with your sticks. All the servants went to their homes and gathered again at the same place the next day. Birbal asked each one of them to show him their sticks. One of the servants had his stick shorter by 2 inches. As soon as Birbal saw the servant's stick, he shouted, catch him. He is the thief. The thief fell at Birbal's feet. Birbal took him to the merchant. Later, the merchant asked Birbal, how could you catch the thief? Birbal said, the thief cut his stick by 2 inches during the night, fearing that the stick would grow longer by 2 inches. Thus, the trick to catch the thief worked well. Glossary. Merchant. A person who buys and sells goods. Surrounded. Covered around. Precious. Valuable. Denied. Said that something is not true. suspected,
suspected,
supposed
supposed
to be
to be
true,
true,
narrated,
narrated,
told,
told,